Hey, what's up everybody? So I just wanted to make a quick video on the top 9 unfair tools and programs that I have personally gone through to make over $4 million in my business. Now, I'm going to explain every single one of these in not extreme depth because I've talked about these in previous videos, but I want to go through this and remind you now that you know exactly how an online business works. So the first tool is Clickfunnels. This is literally the tool that has helped me build my funnels, helps me build my landing pages, my membership areas for my courses. Literally, I have built my entire business on Clickfunnels. So this is one of the main things that you're gonna need if you're looking to, have your own landing pages and build your own email list. And of course, I'll link that down in the members area. Now, number 2 is GetResponse, right? So Clickfunnels builds the pages. GetResponse allows you to build the email list. So GetResponse and Clickfunnels work hand in hand, right? Clickfunnels, you have the landing page, and when someone enters their email, that email is then stored on GetResponse, and GetResponse will send automated emails, which is a way to automate your online business. So this is one of the main tools that I use to send emails, to automate the sequences, all that good stuff. I love GetResponse. It's one of my favorite softwares in the world, and I've used it to generate almost 400,000 email subscribers. Okay, number 3 is TubeBuddy. So if you're looking to start YouTube and you want to rank number 1 for keywords, TubeBuddy is the tool for you. That's the thing that's going to help you rank number 1 for a lot of these keywords that are really hard to rank for. Okay, so definitely get TubeBuddy if you're looking to get into YouTube. I do have that linked down below. It is free to get started. There is a paid version, but you can definitely start using TubeBuddy for free. And I promise you're not going to regret it, especially if you're looking to get into YouTube. Okay. All right. Number 4 is Udimi, and that's Udimi. Okay. And I'll link that down below. But basically what that does is it allows you to send instant traffic to your affiliate links. Okay. So it's called solo ads. So basically you pay somebody $100 or whatever you agree on, and they're going to send you a certain amount of clicks to whatever link that you want. Now, I use this software like crazy. So this is something I recommend, especially if you want instant results and you don't want to just create content all the time. If you want just instant results, instant emails, Udimi is the service for you. Okay, so that's number 4. I'll link that down below. Okay, number 5 is repurose.io. So I talked about in this course how we can repurpose our short form content, right? So you make a video on TikTok and then we repurpose it to multiple platforms. So repurpose.io is a great platform to do that, and I definitely recommend it if you don't want to download it manually and have to re-upload it to all these other platforms. So great program. Okay, number 6 is system.io. Now this is going to be very similar to Clickfunnels, but it's the free version. Okay, now I actually like system.io a lot, and a lot of my students are using system.io because they don't want to pay for Clickfunnels, and I totally get that. So system.io is a great alternative if you want to build your business but you don't want to pay for software or an autoresponder. System.io essentially allows you to create these landing pages without having to pay for it and I guess you can say lose money, although I don't think you're gonna lose money by investing in your business, but some people don't want to spend that extra money on software. So that's number 6. Okay, number 7 is InVideo. Okay, again, I'll link that down below. So the cool thing about InVideo is it allows you to create YouTube videos without showing your face or without using your voice. You can literally create a faceless YouTube video. Now you can also create faceless TikToks, YouTube shorts, any type of video you can create with InVideo. Okay, I'll link that down below. It's a great software if you don't want to go and create the YouTube videos yourself. Okay, number 8, and these are actually 3 products, but these are like the top books that I 100% recommend. Okay, the first one is Traffic Secrets. That's literally the secret on how to get traffic. Doesn't matter what happens in the algorithm, Traffic Secrets shows you how to get traffic to any of your products. Okay, the second book inside of here is Expert Secrets. This is basically how you build a following that knows, likes, and trusts you. Okay, and that's so important if you're looking to build an online business. Of course, these links will be all down below. Third book in this is .com Secrets. This shows you the fundamentals of funnel building, right? How can we build funnels that pay us, right? That basically become this online ATM machine. So I love .com secrets. And the fourth book in this section is a book called Copywriting Secrets. Now, Copywriting Secrets is probably the most important book I've ever read in my entire life because it shows you how to speak on camera, how to write your Facebook post, basically the art of copywriting. If you can master copywriting, you're gonna master the online game. I promise you, if you learn copywriting, you're gonna make a lot of money because copywriting is the main thing that separates like a good marketer and an excellent marketer. So those are the 4 books there, okay? So number 9 is the 72-hour challenge. Now, this is my personal challenge, and this challenge actually shows you how to build a complete business from complete scratch. So the cool thing about this challenge is not only do you learn the skills, but the cool thing is you actually get a course to promote as your own. So you're in this course right now. Maybe you're watching it from me or watching it from one of my partners, but basically you get to use this course as your own and insert your own affiliate links, okay? So that's the cool thing about this challenge. So if you're really serious about getting into affiliate marketing and learning exactly how to build it out the right way, definitely check out the 72-hour challenge, and we'll link that down below, okay? Number 10 is Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer is a great affiliate program, a great program that teaches you affiliate marketing. It's similar to what I've created with the 72-hour challenge, but they have a 15-day challenge that kind of goes more high-level overview of how to build a business from scratch. So very similar to mine, but it's just a different perspective. The one who teaches it is David Sharp. He's done millions and millions of dollars online. Great program. I still promote it, and of course I have that link down below, okay? Number 11 is the free 5-second silent video training, okay? This is a training that I give for free, showing you exactly how I use 5-second silent videos to be able to build a business from complete scratch, okay? It's a completely free webinar that you can sign up and that you can start making money with, okay? Because I show you exactly how we use these 5-second videos that go viral, get the people to watch them, and then send those people to your affiliate links, okay? So super, super cool training. Those are the top tools, products, services that I recommend. They're unfair tools that I've used and my students use to build this amazing business. So with that being said, let me know if you have any questions at all, and I hope this helps you. God bless.